There's a saying that goes, it takes a whole village. This is exactly what the Summer Youth Internship Program is all about. A network of community stakeholders, businesses, employers, and more importantly, the major funders, along with the school district.
We are not only providing internships, but also opening doors to higher paying jobs, financial independence, and career success. That's why my administration has worked to increase funding, including additional support for charter school students, and why we remain committed to growing this initiative year after year.
A couple of years ago, we had a project with the Department of Defense where we needed interns to evaluate these STEM kits that were being brought out to high schools around the U.S. And so as a business, it was our first opportunity to be a part of a government contract. And what better quality assurance testers than high school students? And so the Summer Youth Internship Program allowed us to bring on these testers for this high stakes experience, and it gave them a paid job with an experience that they'll never forget.
As I've been researching into careers that I want to go into, I see that getting a degree is a big statement, but also having experience behind that degree and like experience in the workforce itself, it's even more impactful and better for you in the long run.
So the success of this program lies on the ability of partners like EdFed, Miami-Dade College, the Children's Trust, CareerSource South Florida to come in and be able to partner with our school district in order to really provide all of these aid internship opportunities in the community.
At EdFed, we understand that not only are we providing the students their stipend, we want to ensure that they understand how to balance their checkbook, how to write checks, how to save, how to budget. And EdFed is there to provide those fundamental skills that these students need to move forward in their life.
Well, first of all, being 10 years of this program operating in this community, I can't believe it's been 10 years, but the success that you see. You know, we're the third largest school district in the nation. So we want to be able to have a program that enables every child to be able to get the career exploration, the employability skills, the work experience, to see what they want to go into, to explore that opportunity. So I expect, not what I envision, what I expect is that this program doubles or triples in the next 10 years.
On behalf of Miami-Dade County Public Schools, thank you, thank you, thank you to the community at large, to our internship providers, and to our major funders. Let's keep going another 10 years.